Hi kids! Today we're going to put together some puzzles. And we're going to learn about colors, words, and a whole bunch about the most magical time of the year, Christmas, and the holiday season overall, using these cool holiday puzzles. Uh-oh, it looks like some of the pieces on our puzzles are missing. I wonder where they could be. Maybe they're hidden somewhere inside these gift boxes. Each of them have a different number on them that represents a different day in the month of December, leading up to Christmas, which is on December 25th. Some people call this an advent calendar. Let's see what's inside our gift boxes, starting with Day 1. This box is green and has a red and white gift box on it. Let's see what's inside. It's a red Christmas stocking. For Christmas, we hang up stockings like this one for Santa to leave us small gifts. These are called stocking stuffers. What's your favorite stocking stuffer you've ever gotten? The box for Day 2 is white, and it looks like it has a bunch of presents on it. Let's see what's inside. It's a red sleigh. On Christmas Eve, or the night before Christmas, Santa rides on his sleigh and delivers toys to everyone around the world. The box for Day 3 is blue, and it has a snowman on it, and it looks like it's snowing. Let's see what's inside. It's a red and white candy cane, and it also has a red bow on it. A candy cane is a colorful Christmas treat that tastes like peppermint. Do you like candy canes? The box for Day 4 is green, and it looks like it's snowing on here again. Only this time we have Santa holding a present. Let's see what's in this one. Aw, it's a little doggy wearing a Christmas tree hat. That's so cute. The box for Day 5 is orange, and it has the words ho, ho, ho on it. Let's see what we have. It's a penguin. A penguin is a type of bird that lives in really cold and snowy places. This one is wearing a top hat, a red and white scarf, and he's holding a blue snowflake. Can you waddle like a penguin? The box for Day 6 is green and has a tree on it with a few balloons. Let's see what this one has. It's a red and green wreath. During the holiday season, many people like to decorate their front doors with a wreath. It makes their home feel festive and fun. Do you have a wreath on your front door? The box for Day 7 is light blue and it has a snowman on it. Let's see what's in this one. Looks like we got a couple of stickers. These stickers have pictures of things associated with a different holiday called Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa takes place the week after Christmas and celebrates African American culture. This candle holder, called a kinara, is lit to celebrate African history. These fruits and vegetables are called mazao. They symbolize hard work. Day 8 is orange, and it looks like it's got Santa standing in front of a Christmas tree. If you look really close, he's wearing glasses. Let's see what's inside the box. Wow, it looks like we finally found some of our puzzle pieces. Let's try figuring out where they go. This piece looks like it has a red nose on it. Do you see where a red nose should go? Yeah, right here. The red nose belongs to Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Of course. And it looks like this other piece is the rest of his body. Let's put it in. All right, looks like we filled in one of our puzzles. Let's keep going to find the rest of the pieces. All right, here's our next set of boxes. Let's keep going. Day 9 is green, and it has a penguin, a snowman, and a red and white present. Let's see what's inside. It's a red present with a green bow on top. It's fun to both give and receive during the holiday season. What's your favorite gift that you ever gave to someone? Looks like day 10 is green with white stripes. And there's our friend Santa and a snowman again. Let's see what this one has. It's a red mitten with a white snowflake on it. It can get really cold during the month of December, depending where you live. Do you have a favorite pair of mittens that you wear? Day 11 is red and it has a reindeer on it. Let's see what's inside. It's a red truck carrying a Christmas tree. Have you ever picked out a Christmas tree from a Christmas tree farm? Day 12 is orange and it looks like it's got lots of little things all over it. Let's see what it has inside of it. All right, it's Santa Claus. We're about halfway through the month of December. Hope Santa's getting ready for Christmas Eve. Day 13 is green. It's got a stocking, a Christmas tree, and even some Christmas lights. Let's see what's inside. It's a gingerbread man, and he's wearing a red bow. Do you like to eat gingerbread cookies during the holiday season? I think they're yummy. This day 14 box is tan and has a bunch of presents on it. Let's see what present is inside. It's a red and white candle. Does your family like to light candles during the holiday season? Day 15 is blue with white stripes. And it looks like the whole gang is here. Santa, a snowman, and a couple of reindeer. Let's see what they have inside for us. It's a red bell with a white snowflake on it. Do you know the words to Jingle Bells?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Day 16 is tan, and it has a bunch of snowmen in a circle. Let's see what's inside. Cool! We found more of our puzzle pieces. Let's see where they go. This piece looks like a white body with a green and white scarf around it. Do you see where that puzzle piece should go? Would it go here? No, that spot looks like it's for a hat. Better try again. Yeah, right over here. It's the snowman's body. But hey, it looks like we're missing one more piece. Looks like our snowman has his scarf and his hat now. He should be able to stay pretty warm now, but hopefully not too warm. We don't want him to melt. All right, our last set of boxes are here. Let's check them out. Day 17 is blue, and it's got a present with a dancing polar bear. Let's check it out. Looks like we got a reindeer. And look, he's wearing a red and white hat. Get ready to fly, Mr. Reindeer. Day 18 is light blue, and it's got a snowman. Let's see what's inside. It's a dreidel. Dreidel is a spinning top game that people play with their family and friends during the Jewish holiday of Hanukkah, which is also celebrated in the month of December. Depending on what letter the dreidel lands on, when you spin it, you can win lots and lots of chocolate candies. Sounds like fun! I got hay! That means I get half. Here's day 19. It looks like it's got a bunch of candy on it. Let's see what's inside. It's a Santa hat. Uh-oh, hope Santa didn't lose his hat. He's gonna need it for Christmas Eve. Day 20 is white with some red stripes. It also has a red truck with a penguin, Santa, and a Christmas tree on it. Let's see what they're bringing us. Wow, it's a little Christmas tree. And it even has a little star on top. What do you have on the top of your Christmas tree? Day 21 is red, and it has a penguin and a snowman on it. Let's see what's inside this one. Wow, it's a snowflake. December 21st is the first day of winter. Winter is a season where it gets really cold. Depending where you live, you could see lots of ice and snow. Have you ever had a snow day from school? Day 22 is orange, and it looks like Santa's ready to go down that chimney. Let's check it out. It's a red Christmas tree ornament with a green bow. What's your favorite Christmas ornament on your tree? Day 23 is tan, and it looks like there's a bunch of gingerbread cookies all over. Let's see what's inside. It looks like we got another candy cane, only this one is red and green. Try not to eat too many candy canes, kids. But hey, it's Christmas. And here we are, our last box, day 24. It's red, has a Christmas tree, and it has a ton of presents. Let's see what's inside. It's the rest of our puzzle pieces. Let's figure out where they go. Looks like we got somebody's hat. Where do you think this hat would go? Yeah, of course. We weren't gonna let Santa go without his hat now, were we? But it looks like we're missing something down here. It's a chimney. Santa's all ready to visit us on Christmas Eve. But wait, that means tomorrow is Christmas, and we don't have another gift to open. Oh wow! It looks like we have one more puzzle to fill in. Let's see what we can do here. This looks like the longest piece of the puzzle. Do you think it belongs down here or up here? Yeah, you're right. It goes down there. Let's move on to our next piece. This piece looks a lot less wide than the other one. Do you think it goes here? Or maybe a little bit up here? Yeah. It goes right up here, almost towards the very top. What about this piece? Do you think it belongs up here at the top? Or way down here at the bottom? Let's see what it looks like up here. No, that doesn't look quite right. Let's see how it looks down here. Perfect! All right, we're running out of puzzle pieces here. Only 2 left. Here's our next piece. Do you think it belongs in the middle of the puzzle or at the top of the puzzle? Of course, it goes right here in the middle. Do you think you can tell what this puzzle is now? Yeah, it's a Christmas tree. It is Christmas after all. So that means this star goes right on top. Wow, our Christmas tree looks great. Thanks so much for playing with me. I had so much fun opening all those presents and solving our puzzles. Hope you had fun too. I'll see you again next time. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everybody. Bye!